So basically, in our past video, it's basically part one of our unboxing video. It's like I accidentally paused it, so I'll show you what we got in that video. We're gonna do, before we do any more unboxing, Chloe's outside with Perry and she doesn't know I'm doing this yet. Actually, no, she does. I think I told her. Anyway, so I'll show you what we got. So we got this cutie. She's like the rarest one. She's so cute. She's like a unicorn. She's like, she's a baby, so she's holding like a rattle. We also got this one. She's like sitting in like a barn. She's actually really like, she's really famous too. She's not sitting in a barn. She's sitting in like hay, but she's so cute. We also got this like keychain. It's not actually that good looking, but they're like poppets. And it came with like stickers and stuff too. And we put that in like all of these stuff were found at Walmart. So it was like really easy. Anyway, yeah, and then let's bring you guys to Chloe. I literally cannot find my shoes right now.
Chloe, we're filming the second part of the unboxing video.
What?
We're filming the second part of the unboxing video.
Okay.
There's Perry. Hi, Perry.
Let's go.
Let's go. Come on.
Let's do our next pack back from Perry time.
Okay, should we do like the yum foods?
Yeah, we'll be doing the yum foods.
We have this really exciting one next. So we're gonna open that one last. Okay, she's opening this one right now. Oh! Parts. She got like a ton of parts and yeah, we'll build them real quick. Okay, so basically, I built this. Chloe's outside getting water. I'm gonna eat this. It's so good. Like a snack break. I'm surprised how long she's been gone. I guess I'll just wait.
Why are you sitting in my chair?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Well, I was.
You were? Now give me this chair and we'll keep on going.
She found out I ate it.
Well, after that little incident of her eating my favorite candy, we'll keep on going with
This one.
this one. Oh yeah, and did she show you this?
Yeah.
All right, let's keep on going. It makes a lot of sound, I know.
So basically we got this and this, basically it's like the same toy except for like there's these cardboard things flip and you can like take this thing off. And this thing is supposed to be like to pour water. If you realize that like the stomach was faint, you pour it, I guess. Whatever. Anyway, yeah, this toy is weird and yeah, there you go.
We'll be doing our next.
Another Kinder Joy Bueno.
Give it to me. I finally got it.
Now she's gonna open it. I am so confused with this right now. Like I'm supposed to put like the wings on, but I don't really know how. So they do not have good instructions. Yeah, whatever. It's bad.
Let's do the last one now.
Okay,
It's time for the final and last one.
final one.
Hand it to me.
Here you go. They're literally like tiny 3D printed dragons, I'm pretty sure. Not for sure. Okay, this is what it looks like. No, don't show them actually. Like, it's actually so cute. This is what came out. It's like a pan flipped and then, yeah. So basically out of this egg, we got this like huge dragon, but sadly they have the QR code right there. It looks like a smiley face. Anyway, other than that, it's so cool. You want to show them the pan flip?
Here's the pan flip and the ones you can get. And we got this one, which we were aiming for the top two right here.
But these are adorable, and there you go. That's it for our video, and hope you like and subscribe if you can. You don't have to. Bye.